A garden. A garden is a piece of ground in which vegetables, fruits, and flowers may be grown. So there are many types of gardens. There are tire gardens where you use tires to grow your plants. A kitchen garden where you reuse your vegetables from your kitchen and start gardens with seedlings. A container garden where you use containers. A hydroponics garden, simply planting without soil. First step, locate an area in your home where you can use and clear the space. Next, figure out what type of garden you would like to have. I'll be attempting a kitchen garden.